Bakit kailangan dumaan sa sakit? Tama ba? Why most of us have to go through pain? It's because that's the only way for you to grow. Pleasure creates happiness. But at the same time, pleasure also creates complacency. The big things, the celebration, it makes us happy. Okay? But the tricky part is, nakakabusog siya. And pag busog ka na, pag kontento ka na, pag satisfied ka na without the hunger for growth, without the hunger for more, without the hunger to actually do more and achieve more, you will stop. And it creates a balance. That's the law of polarity. There's light and there's darkness. May gabi, may umaga, may liwanag, may dilim. And the idea is, pag naging complacent ka, tinamad ka na, hindi ka na nag-take ng action, eventually, magda-die down yung skills mo, mawawala yung momentum mo, bababa yung energy mo, you will lose the skills that you have, and eventually, you might lose the results that you have. When you lose the results, paano mo siya mababawi? Through pain.